Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So the question is whether the resource-based owners are entitled to the assistance provided by MSME. Speakers, I thank the Honourable Member, Honourable Corella Chau, for the question. At the outset, I wish to also acknowledge the work that was already done by the former Minister, the Honourable Manokam Kamida, for his contribution also to the micro, small and medium enterprise sector and national movement of the cooperative businesses during his tenure as Minister responsible for trade, cooperatives, MSMEs and communications, one of the key engines of government's economic machinery. From the very beginning, Mr. Speaker, the coalition government has been committed to removing barriers that restrict our resource owners' access to finance. For far too long, the potential of our resource owners had remained untapped and undervalued. The voices of our indigenous landowners were silent under previous regimes. It's a plural there, not one. But today, through this government's decisive action, including the reinstatement of the Great Council of Chiefs, those voices are being heard once again. We're building a future where ownership, participation, and prosperity are no longer privileges, but rights. Within the Ministry of Trade and Cooperatives and MSMEs and Communication, 6 key grant programs have been designed to strengthen entrepreneurship and empower resource owners. 1, Integrated Human Resource Development Program. 2, National Export Strategy. 3, Trade Enhancement Program. 4, Northern Development Program. 5, Young Entrepreneur Scheme. And 6, Cooperative Development Fund, CDF. The speakers, among these, the Integrated Human Resource Development Program has been the most sought after by resource owners. The program's 1/3, 2/3 funding model has channeled close to $4 million over the past 3 years into agriculture mechanization, value addition, virgin coconut revitalization, and fishing projects, building true autonomy for indigenous enterprises. A shining example is the Matambambani Cooperative Limited in Nakoro Village, Navosa. Despite its remoteness, the cooperative transformed challenges into opportunities, establishing a solar farm that now supplies electricity while generating reliable income. They have also diversified into agriculture and retail, with the ministry providing $14,000 in support to advance value addition in their cover business. Another success story is Tokanamara Development Limited in Moala, Sikituru Nandi, a resource owner company established in 2022, focused on gravel extraction to serve the local construction sector. The company demonstrates how indigenous-owned enterprises can create jobs and strengthen community livelihoods. The ministry also assisted with an excavator valued at $78,000, of which 52 was provided as a government grant, reaffirming our belief in the capacity and enterprise of our resource owners. The Speaker, sir, we've also introduced an innovative financing mechanism, which has been endorsed by Parliament, the Access to Business Funding Act. And I thank Parliament and honourable members for their support for that act. The Act enables registered companies to raise capital through the sale of shares, and contrary to common misconceptions, that initiative offers significant benefits to our resource owners, many of whom are now formalizing their ventures under the company business model to take advantage of such opportunities. Mr. Speaker, I will be providing further information on this reform in my address later on this week. Formalization and registration are essential for business growth, and our team continuously provides business advisory and compliance support to ensure resource owners are not left behind in a competitive market, whether it be company, sole trader, or partnership business structures. Likewise, through our cooperative department, we continue to champion the cooperative business model, deeply rooted in our Tokay concept of Solidarity, promoting collective ownership and shared prosperity. Speaker, sir, to date, 837 active cooperatives operate across Fiji, and an estimated asset base of $132 million, spanning key sectors such as ecotourism, agribusiness, and transport. To further strengthen this important business model, the coalition government introduced the Cooperative Development Fund, CDF, providing an additional accessible and equitable source of financing for resource-based ventures. In 2024-25 financial year, a total of $486,316.22 in support was approved for 17 cooperatives under the CDF. Notable recipients include the Nasangalau Cooperative Limited in Lakembalau, now the Island Sole Coconut Buyer, which has also diversified into lobster supply, seashell export, and fuel distribution. Through the fund, Nasangalau Cooperative received $20,000 to acquire a solar system, freezer, and standby generators, significantly improving productivity and sustainability. Likewise, the Tambusoro Cooperative Limited in Lomeviti received $16,888 for a solar freezer, an outboard engine to enhance its fishing operations and strengthen its income-generating capacity. Mr. Speaker, sir, our support extends beyond finance. The ministry delivers free business training in collaboration with key partners, including programs such as financial literacy, start your business, improve your business, grow your business, and cash flow management. These initiatives ensure our entrepreneurs are well equipped with the knowledge and skills to sustain and expand their ventures. We are also enhancing communication and outreach to ensure that every landowner and community member is aware of available support. The Speaker, sir, this is very close to my heart. We have our own village cooperative that's working very well with the main organization, and I would like to encourage honorable members to encourage their village cooperatives to take advantage of all the systems available in government. The Speaker, sir, the assistance and guidance do not end with financing and training. A core function is advisory. And as I said, the expertise in the ministry and the various departments are available to work with our own village and community cooperative associations. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.